Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some smoked turkey tails right here. About to put them together. We got that JIFFY cornbread. We have some kidney beans and some black-eyed peas in the can. We have our vegetables: red onion, celery, bell pepper, and carrots. So that's how we doing it. Shout out to my boy Zoe. You know, I seen him do a video probably like about 4 or 5 days ago, and he did some turkey tails. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make me a little turkey tail video. But I have all type of turkey tail videos, but it just has some taste for turkey tails. So we're about to go ahead and put these bad boys together. Let me go ahead and rinse them real good, clean them off. We're gonna make it happen right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. And don't forget, hit that like button. Okay, so we have our vegetable oil in here. I love this pan so much. I could cook my food on the stove. If my food needs to go in the oven, I go straight from the stove to the oven. So, you know, I'm in love with this right here. So it's smoked. So you really don't have to use, if you want to add a little bit of seasoning to it, then it's cool. But it already has seasoning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some of this ranch seasoning and see how that come out. I love my vegetables, especially my red onions and bell peppers. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and season them vegetables. It should be good. So I'm saying go ahead and get us a good stir, saute these vegetables. And hit both sides of this turkey tail and making it hot. Okay, so here we go right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add my water. You can also cook this on the stove. Yeah, you can also cook this on the stove. I'm gonna add another cup of water because we want to kind of like, you know, fill it up just a little bit, but we're not gonna completely over drown these turkey tails. We just go, I'll show you how it's gonna be looking. Okay. So that's 1.5 cup of water right there. So that's how we looking. Just like that. And I had 2 cans of these beans out, so like I said, I got the black-eyed peas, the can of black-eyed peas. And I thought I'd grab a can of kidney beans, but I grabbed a can of low-sodium black beans. So I'm using the black beans and the black-eyed peas. thought I had some kidney beans, but I guess they ate them all. So this how we working right here. I'm finna go ahead and we're gonna put the top on this bad boy. I have my oven preheated on 350. Throw some parchment paper over this. Then put the top on there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of this before I throw it in the oven. Cut some of the parchment paper so it won't hang too far. And it's going on the oven on 350 for probably like 2 to 3 hours, if that. Okay, that's how we looking with the parchment paper. Now we're going in the oven. Okay, so here we go right here. Look, extra tender. Look. See how I just go in there, in and out. Yeah, in and out. That's a bone. Yeah. They in and out. Nice and tender. I drained most of the juice out because we don't need all that juice no more. Look at that. Whew. That's how you want it. I'm gonna take this black-eyed peas and just toss it in there. So I drain the water out of my black-eyed peas and I rinse them real good. My black beans, way up in there. You know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta feed the kids. You gotta trick them a little bit. You know, you gotta let everything blend in. What we eating? We eat some chicken. You just gotta, you know, break it apart. This is good. I know. And then when they finish eating it, you know, just ate what I eat. You ate turkey tails. Ooh, turkey tails. Then you just said it was good. Yeah. You gotta trick the kids sometimes. Alright, everything mixed in. Alright, so we're gonna hit this up with some seasoning now. Alright. I'm gonna use some of this this blackened seasoning. Not just for the beans. So we just mixing that seasoning with the beans and the little vegetables. Alright, there we go right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in. I'm gonna put the top on there and let them do a thing for like another 20 minutes if that. Cause you know your beans are already done. You just gotta just give them a cool little heat to them. So I say about 20 minutes back in the oven with the top on. Then we gotta go ahead and get this cornbread nice and right. Gotta get that cornbread right, y'all. Oh yeah, that's for my next video because I'm doing 2 videos. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's for the next video. Yup, that's how we looking. I'm doing my thing in this good kitchen. Got Jiffy cornbread with a little bit of that sugar in there. So y'all know what I'm talking about. And look at that, man, look at them turkey tails. When I say them bad boys so tender with them beans, black-eyed peas and black beans, I'm doing my thing in this kitchen. And like I say, shout out to my boy Zoe. It's Zoe time. Shout out to you, pimp. That's how we looking. So now it's time to put this good food on a nice plate. So we close this video and get ready for the next one. I'm going crazy in the kitchen, for real. Okay, so here we go right here. I done did my thing in this good kitchen. Look at that Jiffy cornbread. Fire. Smoked turkey tail. The black-eyed peas. Black beans. Man, I did my thing in this good kitchen. Made it happen. In a real way. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, because I'm going to keep them coming. So this is the first video of the day. I'm about to go ahead and clean up everything. And once this video is uploaded right here, I'm going to start on my second video for the day. Like I said, I'm having fun and I enjoy what I do. This is my passion, cooking in a good kitchen and sharing my recipe with the world. My recipes with the world. So that's how we looking. Now I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice.
Chef hit dice. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my growing and my apron, I'm a chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef hit dice, yeah, you mopped it right. Hey. Chef hit dice, yeah, you mopped it right. Chef hit dice.